If you've ever read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, you know Robert Kiyosaki breaks down income into four types: employee, self employed, business owner, and investor. Today, I want to share how I've used that model to build financial freedom my own way and how Bitcoin might be your smartest move right now, even at $116,000. Don't let the big price tag fool you. Bitcoin is still early. I'll walk you through why it's still one of the best long-term stores of value, how to get started with even a few dollars, and how to grow it tax-free inside a Roth or solo 401k. If you're someone who's tired of inflation eating your paycheck, stick around. This could change your financial future. So you see on the screen here are the four basic streams of income that was taught by Robert Kiyosaki. He has his own YouTube channel. I encourage you to subscribe and follow his information. This is just some of the basics. So employee, basically, we're trading our time for money. It has limited upside. You only have so many hours in the week you can work. Self-employed, we're still trading time, but we have more freedom. But if you're trading sessions for dollars, you only have so many hours, no matter how hard you're willing to work. It does have a limited upside, but with slightly more freedom. Number 3 is the business owner. You own systems and leverage others. And number 4 is investor. Your money works for you. This is where Bitcoin comes in. So let's talk about the investor quadrant and why I believe Bitcoin is not only a smart investment, but an essential one. I'm going to pull up the Bitcoin chart for us. This is the Bitcoin chart on TradingView. You can access this. I have affiliate links inside the description of the video. You can set up a free account. If you don't like to see ads, you can pay, I think it's $14 a month, something like that, and you can get no ads and more features. But this is TradingView on the weekly time frame, Bitcoin, and on the Coinbase exchange. Each one of these are called candles, and they're each 1 week long. So number 1, scarcity is built into Bitcoin. Unlike dollars, where the government prints more every time there's a problem, Bitcoin is capped forever. That's scarcity. And many experts are calling Bitcoin digital gold. It's not most likely probably not going to be used as currency, but it is capital. Number 2, institutional adoption is just starting. BlackRock, Fidelity, and other major players are now investing. They wouldn't touch this if it wasn't legit. Their money is pushing the price even higher. Number 3, you can buy fractions, what's called sats, not whole coins. You know how a $1 of USD can be broken down into 100 pennies? It's very much the same thing. One Bitcoin is broken into 1 million Satoshis. And you can buy $10 at a time, $100 at a time. Your choice. Number 4 is Bitcoin has superior performance versus traditional assets. In the last 5 to 10 years, Bitcoin has outperformed the S&P, gold, and real estate. It's volatile short term, but it's unbeatable long term. Number 5, we can store it in a Roth IRA or a solo 401k. And there's 2 good companies, and there's going to be many more coming in the future because they're making this more and more available. One's called I Trust Capital and one's called Bitcoin IRA, and you can do both or use one or the other. But one, you can do a personal Roth IRA, which in the USA, you have a certain amount that you can save after tax income. The beauty of a Roth IRA is you save your money into Bitcoin on after tax income, but when you draw it out, the taxes are way less because you've already paid taxes on it. But talk to your accountant or look it up so you can get real clear on it. But Roth IRAs, whether it's a personal Roth, but the beauty of a business, if you own your own business, you can invest in a solo 401k Roth, which gives you much higher contribution limits. And all these are tax deferred, which means no taxes on the gains if you plan it right. This is huge. Right. So now let's take a look at, there are basically four ways. I got three here, but I did another one. So there are four different ways to be active with Bitcoin. One is position trading. That's basically where you hold it for 6 to 18 months and get it out of positions. Number two is swing trading. You can ride the short trends 1 to 6 weeks at a time. You can see on the charts, you can try to hit the highs and the lows. Scalping / day trading. This is advanced, not recommended for most. If you're going to get into scalping or day trading, I encourage you to have a passion for it, to be really curious about it, to be really interested about it. But this is not for most people. And number four is long-term holdings. We're going to add number 4 here. Number 4, long-term hodling. Right? Holding on forever. Set it and forget it. So those are your 4 basic trading methods. 4. All right. So, well, I want to share with you too. I know a lot of people are interested in scalp trading. So I do have a little something I want to share with you on that. I love scalp trading. I love all 4 methods. Let me be clear. I do all 4. I'd say the easiest is long-term hodling because you just set it and forget it. That's probably for most people, set it and forget it. But if you are a higher risk tolerance, perhaps a previous poker player, you like putting your money in with the right odds and all that kind of stuff, you may be interested in Bitcoin day trading. This is advanced and not for most, but this is my account on the day trading. And believe me, just like if you were to sit down at a poker table, you wouldn't sit down with your whole net worth because you could lose it all, right? So I trade with an amount on day trading that I don't have to feel emotional about. And that's one of the key things for day trading for me is to not, if I have so much money in here, I'm making emotional decisions and I'm not making like a machine, like an AI robot decision, then so that's part of my philosophy. And I'm just sharing with you my levels if you're interested. And I usually pull it back on the 4-hour time frame. This is on the 4-hour time frame. Right here. I will share my drawings. Now, right now, I have this big green drawing as a zone, right? So I feel like what's going to happen is we're going to push up to the purple here. That's my thinking right here. So my current entry is at 115,885. But instead of losing the trade, I'm gonna set a stop loss. I have a stop loss set just above profit, so I'll keep that trade profitable. But then I'm saying I'm gonna take these the drawings off because it's a little messy. Let's see here. Let's see here. Hide drawings. I think that will come down. See this little this last red candle right here? This is called a starting point on the 1 hour time frame. So I think it's possible that we'll get a drawdown back to that point, maybe, right? And if so, I'm prepared. But those are my orders on my day trading account, right? And it's something, it's challenging, it's fun, I'm passionate about it, but this is not for most people. If you're interested in trading on Blowfin, you'll find some affiliate links below if interested to support the channel. And but those are where I'm at with my day trade orders. I'm going to sell here because I believe that we're going to go up to about where the purple is. I think we're heading up to maybe, at least we're going to tap that level, like around 118.5. So these are my take profits. The little red bars here are my take profit orders. If we go down, it's going to close out, and then I'll open new orders in this zone right here, and then reset my buys above my entry. And so I'm learning a lot, and I still have vulnerabilities, and I'm trying to plug holes in that. So I'll share my journey along the way. Right? So that's that. And but let's see here to conclude. So whether you're an employee looking to stop trading time for money, or you're a business owner ready to make your money work harder than you do, Bitcoin deserves your attention. You don't need to be rich to get started. You just need to be consistent, intentional, and educated. Visit saundersfinance.com, SAUNDERS finance.com, to explore some recommended tools, exchanges, and even tax-friendly ways to build your crypto portfolio. If this helped you think differently about investing or Bitcoin, like and subscribe. I'll be posting weekly videos to help you grow in fitness and finance, the two things that change everything in life when you get them right. And remember that health is wealth, cash flow is king, cash is queen, and credit is freedom. Be blessed, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.